Yes, sir.
Okay. See, basically, what we are trying to do here, right? Okay, we are trying to do very important thing. Today is the demo class, specifically on the ETL testing part. Okay, so here try to understand first of all what is ETL. Okay, what is ETL? Okay, what is ETL? Then on top of it, why we need ETL? Okay, why we need ETL? Why we need ETL? Then on top of it, okay, what is the okay? What is the need of okay? What is the need of ETL testing? Okay, ETS testing. Second thing is okay, what is ETL? Why we need ETL? And then what is the need of ETL testing? Then we are going to talk about, as part of this course, what are the tools and what are the things which we are going to cover? Okay, what are the things which we are going to cover? Are you with me? What are the things which we are going to cover as part of this course? Then what are the roles? Okay, what are the roles and what are the roles and responsibilities being an ETL tester? Okay, ETL tester. This is the one of the thing, and other than that, what we are going to discuss, right? What we are going to discuss next thing is okay, what are the salaries? Okay, what are the salaries associated with it? Being for ETL tester. Okay, so these are the things which we are going to cover as part of the today's class. First of all, okay, just I'll take first we'll go with the very simple example, then we'll explain you the what is ETL, then on top of it we'll go with the one use case, then we'll jump into remaining things. Okay, so first of all, ETL means ETL stands for okay, ETL stands for extraction, stands for extraction. Let me keep it in different color. Okay, extraction, then transformation, and loading. Okay, loading. First of all, okay, what do you mean by extraction? What do you mean by transformation? What do you mean by loading? I'm going to explain you. Okay, first try to understand ETL is a process. Okay, ETL is a process, not a tool. Remember this. ETL is a process. Okay, ETL is a process. Okay, where you are going to migrate the data. Okay, ETL is a process which exists between the source versus target. Okay, source versus target. Okay, are you with me? Anyone? Everyone?
Yes,
So,
sir.
yeah. Next thing is okay. Source can be any format. Okay, source can be any format. Like source means it can be any format. It can be table. Okay, I'll show you further. Okay, just I'm giving a theory part. Table. Okay, it can be CSV file. Okay, it can be CSV file, XML file. Okay, it can be SAP extract. Okay, SAP extract. Okay, extract, etc. Okay, there are multiple things which is associated with it. Source can be, it can be anything, but target should be okay. Okay, if you are building any data warehouse, okay, target should be in tabular format. Table. Okay, it can be a table. Okay, it can be a table. If we go with the big data, it can be a file as well. Okay, so are you clear? Now,
Yes.
who's going to implement this process? Okay, who is going to implement this process? Developer is going to implement this process. Developer is going to, this particular ETL process is going to be, ETL process going to be implemented, is going to be implemented by, going to be implemented by who? ETL developer, ETL developer. Okay, ETL developer is going to be implemented with the help of which tools? ETL tools, with the help of ETL tools such as, okay, okay, for example, let's understand what are the tools which is going to be, like Informatica, okay, Informatica, Talent, okay, Talent, Data Stage, okay, Data Stage, and other than that, SSIS, okay, and other tools in big data. We can call it as a Spark, in cloud, ADF, Azure Data Factory, These are the tools which they are going to use it. These are the tools which they are going to use it to move the data from. Guys, go on mute if you are not. Okay, so we are going to use it. These are the tools. These are the tools which we are going to use it. Okay, so these are the tools which we are going to use it as part of the ETL tools. Okay, ETL tools. Now let's try to understand this. Now, first of all, we mentioned ETL. ETL means extraction, transformation, and loading. Okay, extraction, transformation, and loading. Now, what is the need of extraction? What is the need of transformation? What is the need of loading? Okay, so try to understand. Suppose, okay, let me go here in the bottom itself. Okay, suppose, let's try to get into this. Suppose Ravindra started a small business. Okay, Ravindra started business. Okay, started business with the worth of 10 crore rupees. Okay, he started 5 stores. Okay, let's understand 5 stores he started. Okay, with the 5 stores he started, and then what happened with the help of 5 stores? Okay, yes, Abhinisho also, which is part of it. Just I have mentioned, etc. Okay, Abhinisho, Data Stage, Talent, Informatica, SSI, Spark, ADF, even we have a different set of tools. Okay, each cloud is having different set of tools. This is the existing tool, Abhinisho also. Okay, clear? Manikanta, just I am giving examples. Okay? I have not gone to in detail about it. If I can go to that, it will take some time. So just I have given some sample tools. Okay, Abhinisho also one of the tools. Yeah. Now, next, Ravindra is started with the worth of 10 crore rupees, 5 stores. Okay, let's consider it clothing business he started. Okay, clothing business he started. Now, in that clothing business, men, okay, women, kids. Okay, kids is it started, and 5 crore, 10 crore, out of it, he kept expenses. Consider it 1 crore rupees expense. Not 1 crore, just consider it 30 lakhs as the expenses. Okay, remaining is nothing but a remaining 30 lakh expenses. Okay, 30 lakh expenses for labor. Okay, labor, building rent. Okay, plus building rent. Just I'm giving an example, building rent, and other than that, etc. Okay, let's consider a lot of expenses. Now, whatever he purchased, right? He purchased with the 10 crore worth of. He started 10 crore. Out of it, 9 crore 70 lakhs. Okay, he purchased clothes. Okay, with the help of men, and with the 970 lakhs, let's consider it. Okay, 3 crores men. Okay, 3 crores men and 3 crores women. Okay, 3 crores again kids. Okay, now you have a 70 lakhs. 70 lakhs is nothing but a remaining 70 lakhs. You have different items. Okay, let's consider it some kind of retail items. Okay, where it's kind of, belt, certain things. Okay, belt, bag. Okay, different items, belt and bags. These are the things which they purchased with the 70 lakhs. Okay, Now what happened? He sold it. Okay. He sold this particular business. Okay. Whatever he bought it, 9 lakh. Okay. 9,70,000. Now he got it around, just consider it 15 crore. 15 crore business. 15 crore he sold. Okay. Sold everything. Okay. Now, what is the profit, guys? What is the profit? Whatever you purchased minus expenses. Okay. Purchase plus expenses. Okay. So sales is 15 crores. Okay. Sales is 15 crore. Out of it, what is the next thing? Out of it minus, okay, sales 15 crore minus 10 lakh, 10 crore. Okay. 10 crore. What is the profit you got it? Overall 5 crore you got it. Yeah. 5 crore you got it. Now, what is the businessman can do immediately? What is the businessman can do? Simply what they can do, they are going to expand their business. Am I right? Am I right or not?
Yes, sir.
So assume one more thing. Okay. Here, okay, they are maintaining everything in, they are maintaining everything in books. Okay. Accounting books they are maintaining. Okay. Accounting books. 4 stores they are maintaining accounting books. Okay. The transactions, okay, they are maintaining transactions. Okay. They are maintaining transactions in accounting books. What is the issue which you are going to see if you are maintaining transactions in accounting books? Tell me. What are the issues which you are going to see? Major issue is, okay, you have to write. Nothing but a manual effort is needed. Am I right? So second thing is, okay, to get the profit or loss in a quick way, it's not feasible. Okay. Time taken. Okay. Time taken process. Every day you have to take all the books and you have to calculate what is the profit or loss. Okay. Now, being a businessman, okay, third is, okay, it is directly going to impact the customer. How it is going to impact the customer? Tell me. Suppose let's go to DMart. Okay. DMart. Just I'm giving an example. You went to DMart. Okay. You are in Sunday. Okay. Sunday you went to DMart. Okay. Now, instead of scanner, okay, instead of scanning, nothing but instead of scanner, they are going to use the scanner, right? To bill it. Okay. To bill it. Okay. To bill it. Okay. Instead of scanner, they are doing manually. Okay. One person transactions. Okay. 1% transactions, consider it 30 on an average. 30 items he purchased. Okay. Now you tell me, each person is taking 30 transactions, it is taking 15 minutes, okay, to write it up and giving the billing and doing the items, everything. It is taking 15 minutes. Like that, you have a, consider it 2000 customers. Okay, 2000 customers. Okay, 2000 into 15, how many minutes? It can be lot of minutes. Okay, 20,000 minutes. Simply, okay, if I add 2000, okay, 2000 plus one more zero, if I can add 20,000 minutes. Will you be awake 20,000 minutes? Guys, will you be staying there? What do you do? You kick that. Okay, simply you kick that particular whatever it is there. Okay, that trolley, and say that, okay, boss, it is the worst experience which I'm facing. It is the worst experience with you. Okay, I never come back to you. I never come back to you. Am I right or not? Will you do that or not? See, this is quite common. Okay, being a customer, we are going to see, we have done everything, shopping and everything, but still we are facing this issue, billing side. Okay, now being a businessman, what you are going to order? Simply, you are going to expand your business if you get the profits. Okay, expand your business. Second thing is, you are going to improve customer experience. Okay, if you improve customer experience, then only you are going to sustain in the business. You are going to improve the customer experience. If you do that, then only you can sustain in the business. Okay, you can sustain in the business and your business will run in a right way. Okay, business. Now what you can do, simply, being a businessman, I'll call the one of the, being a businessman, I'll call to IT company. Just I'm giving a general scenarios. Okay, I'll call to IT company. Boss, boss. Okay, build a software. Build a software. Okay, build a software for billing purpose. For billing purpose. Am I right, guys? See, every business has to approach the IT company. Okay, for build a software. Okay, for billing purpose. Then this billing, which is going to take every second, not every second, millisecond also, it is going to create a transaction and it is going to do very faster way. So directly it is going to improve the customer experience. Okay, millisecond a transaction, and it is improving customer experience. Then what is going to happen? More customers will come. Okay, more customer. It is improving customer experience. Am I right or not, guys? Everyone, is it a real-time use case or not? Because of that, you are improving. It is improving the customer experience. Now, when you are calling a business IT company, who are all part of it? What are the roles associated with it? Okay, simply, okay, business going to be, there is a IT folks. Okay, IT folks. Okay, in that, basically stakeholders we can call. Okay, IT folks. Basically business people, nothing but we can call as a stakeholders. Stakeholders is nothing but a business folks. Okay, business folks. Okay, business folks will talk to the management, IT management. In that IT management, there are multiple roles. Okay, basically business analyst will be there. Business analyst. Okay, who's going to take the requirements? Okay, who's going to take the requirements, and they are going to give it as a product. Okay, they are going to build it as a product. Okay, so these particular business analysts, they are going to understand the business, whether it is going to be done or not. It is going to be whether the particular requirement can be done in technically implemented or not. These guys are going to tell us. Okay, now what are the roles which is associated in the IT industry? High level. Okay, not with the entire thing. Okay, just I'm giving a high level. There is a person's DBAs. Okay, DBAs. Okay, or infrastructure guys. Okay, infrastructure. These guys going to provide the environment. Okay, DBAs or infrastructure guys. Okay, these guys going to they are going to provide the environment. Okay, they are going to providing the environment, like, suppose Windows, okay, OSS, and as well as the system which they are going to give it to you, right? Who's going to do that? DBA guys or infrastructure guys going to provide the environment. Another role is, okay, developers. Okay, these are the very, very important. Who's going to implement the requirements? Developers is going to build this particular software, build the software. Okay, now who's going to test it? Who's going to test this? Testers is going to test this particular application. Testers is going to test this application, whether it is working, or not, as per requirements. Okay, business is provided a requirement, right, to build the software. Okay, suppose this particular software, it is taking, instead of taking millisecond, it is taking 10 minutes. Is it a use? No, right? So that is the reason testers is going to test this particular application. Now let's get into ETL. Are you clear on the roles? Database guys, nothing but a database administrators or infrastructure guys, and developers. Okay, and testers. Okay, now which course you are choosing? You are choosing the testing course. Okay, you are choosing the testing course. Okay, ETL testing. Now let's talk about the ETL. ETL I already mentioned here. What do you mean by ETL? Okay, now let's talk about the ETL in detail. Now here you have started with the 5 stores. Now you have done with one exam. One thing you have done. You have asked the DBA guys and you have built the, what you have built. You have built the billing software. Now you have expanded your business. Okay, let's understand 200 stores you have started. Okay, because you got very good profits. Because of that, you have started 200 stores. Now I want a couple of things. Daily profit or loss. Okay, daily profit or loss. Second thing is, okay, which item is selling more? Okay, which item is selling more, okay, which item is selling more, okay, and which item is, sorry, which item is not selling much, okay, which item is not selling much, okay, and other thing is which store is, okay, which store is performing well, okay, which store is having more business, which store is having more business, okay, and which store is having less business, okay. Again, I'm going to ask the one more scenario, okay. Here I'm going to ask, okay, okay, whether, so I'm asking, okay, which items are going more, which items, okay, which items is nothing but a whether men is going more or women clothing is going more, okay, or kids clothing is going more, okay, going more. I'm asking this question to the business, okay. Now next question is, business is asking this question. Next question is, in men business, okay, in men business, okay, in men business, okay, whether it is going, which one is, again, in men business, which one is going more, which one is going more, okay, more or less. Try to understand. In men business also, you can see normally what are the clothing will be there? Casual, am I right? Casual, okay, formal, ethnic, am I right, guys? Ethnic wear. Again, okay, which one is going more? Okay, why we need to understand this? Tell me, what is the reason behind it? Guys, any idea? What is the reason behind it to understand this?
Yeah, this is the business requirement.
Yes, this is the business requirement. What is the need of it?
For the
get a
checking the
profit.
performance of the profitable or not, we have to segregate the part.
Okay, much more.
Yeah.
I wanted to
Analyzing the data.
Yeah, Vijay, one more. Yeah, one by one. Vijay, you tell me, then I'll go with the Sudha and other folks.
Yeah, analyzing the data, we have to analyze the data, which store is the more profitable, which store the which item. So as per the analysis, we have to increase the items and decrease the item, and we have to expend the more money, which is the more profitable, like
Yeah.
this.
So yeah, okay. Let me stop you. Sudha, you can answer remaining.
Sir, to check on the profit size, how the data, how which item is going in profit, which item is not.
Okay, that is the one more answer. Maruti Rajan, Manikanda.
Yes, sir. To analyze all the products and they can make changes. So stock management also.
Yeah. Okay. Go on mute. Okay. And I think Maruti Raja, you there? Okay. To answer right, so you have, this is nothing but a business intelligence. Okay. That particular thing, whatever I'm using, right? That is nothing but a business intelligence. Okay. Business intelligence. What is the need of business intelligence? Okay. To make the, what is the need of it? To analyze and to make the right decisions, okay, to make the right decisions, okay. If you make the right decisions, what is going to happen? You are going to sustain in the business. If you don't analyze the data, if you don't analyze properly, then what is going to happen? Okay, I'll give you the one of the simple use case and you are aware of it. Okay, to make the right decisions, to analyze it, you are going to analyze, okay, you are going to analyze and then you are going to take right decisions. Any business want to take right decisions, okay, right decisions. So are you clear until now? So you are going to make right decisions, you are going to use the business intelligence. But what if you don't analyze it? How many people know nano car? Guys, how many people know nano car?
I know, sir.
Almost
Everybody know. Okay, if you are in India, you know very well. Nano is a fail or success?
Failure, sir.
Nano is a failure product or success product?
Failure, sir.
underrated book.
Success product. Okay. See, I don't want the additional answers. Yes, sir. Failure or success. Okay. Because let's not get into too much about it. Okay. See, nano is a failure or success. Okay. So nano is a two things. Okay. Engineering wise. Okay. Engineering wise. Okay. Engineering wise, nano is very good product. Okay. Very good product. Okay. But people sentiment wise, okay, people sentiment analysis wise, nano is a failure product. Why it is a failure, guys? Any idea what is the reason behind it? It is a failure. Think of it in a very generic way. So car is what? Car is a symbol of status, right? Am I right or not? Car is a symbol of status or not? It is a status. Okay. If you buy nano, okay, until now people don't know. Okay. Until now people don't know about you. Okay. Don't know about you. Okay. Your financial situation. Okay. Once you buy the nano car, okay. Once you buy the nano car, okay. Once you buy the nano car, people directly say that, okay, you don't have money. Am I right or not? This is the one of the scenario, right?
Yeah.
You don't have a money. So this is the reason car is a luxury product. Okay. Nowadays it is a necessary product. But prior to that, okay, when nano car was released, at the time, car is nothing but a luxury. Okay, as well as status part. Okay. If you buy nano product directly, it is going to impact, it is going to show in the society. Okay, you don't have a money kind of stuff. That is the reason. Okay, that is the reason people are not buying much. Okay, about the nano car. But the intention of the nano car is very, very good actually. To make people buy the car, everybody should have a one car. That is the intention of Tata is done that. But what they have failed? Tell me, what is the important thing they have failed? What is the important thing which they have missed?
People think
They have not analyzed. Okay, they have not analyzed. Okay, they have not analyzed the people's sentiment. Okay, people's sentiments. Am I right or not? If they could have analyzed people's sentiment, okay, will they go with that? They have not analyzed. Okay, they have not analyzed people's sentiment, but they have analyzed what they have done very well. They have designed such a way the product, the design, they have designed very good. Okay, and within a certain cost, they have done. Okay, so internal management and engineering perspective, excellent. Okay, but they have not analyzed the people sentiment. If you don't analyze, what happened with this? Directly you are losing the business, right? Am I right or not? Guys, I'm asking you, be interactive. Okay, if you don't do analysis properly, what is the impact? Directly get into losses. That is the reason your guys are mentioning it's a failure product. Am I right or not? Everyone.
Yes.
So these are the scenarios which you have to understand. Now, one more scenario with the clothing business only. Okay. Now try to understand, okay, with this particular scenario, men clothing, okay, men clothing, I purchased it with the, consider it 1 crore, okay, and I sold it to 1.5 crore. Just I'm giving one more scenario. And women clothing, okay, women clothing, 1 crore, okay, 1 crore. Women will bargain more, right? Just I'm giving an example. So you sold it to 90 lakhs, okay, 90 lakhs, okay, and kids also, where who is going to come? Women only going to come. So then that case, just I'm kidding, guys, don't take it anything serious. Okay, so kids also 1 crore, but they sold it to How much? 70 lakh. Now, so which one you are going to continue? Which one you are going to remove? Let's consider it here. Okay, 1 crore only. Okay, 1 crore only. Let's not even take 90 lakhs. Okay. Now you tell me which one you are going to continue. So by taking this simple analysis, right? Business intelligence. Okay. By directly you can take it up one thing, right? What you can take it up? Directly you are going to remove your kids business. Okay. Kids business. Okay. Kids business. If you remove kids business, what is the profit, guys? 2.5 crore. Am I right? 2.5 crore. If you don't remove, okay, if you don't remove, what is the profit? 2.2 crore. So directly you are losing, right? So it's just I'm giving a high level one department, okay? But in general, in business, there are n number of items, okay? N number of items which is associated with it. So to do such kind of analysis, what you need it, guys? To do such analysis, what you need it? Data, right? Am I right or not? Everyone, data should be available, right? In a single place, so that you are going ahead and you will be able to do analysis. What ETL does, okay? What ETL does, okay? Try to understand this, okay? What ETL does, first you have a different stores information, okay? Just try to make you much more clear. Okay, how many people know Amazon application? Amazon, how many people are purchasing Amazon? Okay, so consider it as a, okay, one UI, right? It's nothing but you are purchasing the UI from Amazon. Okay, from Amazon, that is the application. Okay, application. Just try to understand. This is the application, Amazon application. Okay, that's nothing but a front-end application. Okay, this Amazon application, once you buy, what are the information which you are going to store? They are going to store everything about you. Simple. They are going to store, first is your customer ID. Am I right? Then what is the next information? Your address. Okay. Next, phone number. Okay. Phone number, mail ID. Okay. Mail ID. And what is the item you purchased? Okay. And then what is the amount of that item? Okay. And then what is the discount you got it? Okay. Then other than that, tell me, guys, other than that, what is the thing? Okay.
Payment mode.
Payment mode. Okay. Whether it is a cash or cash on delivery or internet banking or UPI or any other international transactions. Okay. Or debit card or credit card. Next, what other than that? Tell me, guys. I think you are seeing every time. Order ID. Okay. Order ID. Next. Order status, right? Whether it is coming or not. Order status. Okay. These are the details. So etc. Okay, etc. We have a details. Now, once you do that, right, in the front end, okay, back end, what it is going to happen? It is going to store in the database. Okay, it is going to store in the database. Am I right or not? Everyone. This is the front end application. Okay, this is the front end application. Am I right? This is the UI. Okay, this is the UI. Once you do transactions in the UI, behind the scenes, there is a database which is going to be present. Okay, through API application interface. Okay, through API or application. Okay, database, it is going to store. What we can call this? Okay, what we can call this? Database. Okay, this is called OLTP. OLTP, Online Transactional Processing System. Online Transactional Processing System. Okay, so like this, you have a n number of system. Okay, n number of systems which is associated with OLTPs. Okay, n number of source systems. Okay, n number of source systems. Okay, it can be any application. Just I'm giving an example of Amazon applications. Okay, based on their business, based on their domain. Okay, it can be single source, it can be multiple source, which we are going to see. This entire system, whatever which I'm talking about, this entire thing, which we can call as a OLTP. OLTP, Online Transactional Processing System. OLTP. Okay, OLTP. what is the importance of this? This is dedicated for the transactional purpose, only for making the transactions and storing the transactions purpose, which we are going to use it, Now, with this, okay, now you have a different types of source systems. Now, whatever I have asked here, okay, whatever I have asked, can we able to perform these operations in the source systems? These operations, okay, whatever I'm talking, which item is selling or which item is not selling. Now you have a different source systems, okay, different kind of information which is going to store. Now, can we able to perform on this? Okay, yes, we can do that, but there is one of the major issue which we are going to see. Now, I'll give you one scenario, okay, for that. Now, what is the issue which we are going to see if you do that operations? Okay, Vijay, right? Vijay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you tell me, you have experience, right? You tell me what is the major issue which we are going to see if you operate this entire analysis on this particular system, transactional system. So to answer that, okay, let me give you major thing. Okay, let me give you one more example. Suppose you went to ATM. Okay, you went to ATM. Okay, in your account you have a 1 lakh rupees. Okay, you 1 lakh rupees. Okay, you went to ATM. Suddenly, okay, suddenly the bank guys, what they wanted to analyze their data. Whatever I have asked, right? Same questions which they are asking in their particular domains. Okay, like banking, savings account, what are the transactions, current account, like that. They wanted to understand their business in the overall last couple of years. Now, what bank guys done? Okay, bank guy, okay, nothing but an analyst, bank analyst. What they have done? Just they run a query. They run a query on transactional system. Okay, try to understand. They run that query transactional system. Okay, transactional system. At the same time, okay, okay, they run a query which is going to take 1 hour. Okay, at the same time, you went to ATM. Okay, customer went to ATM. Okay, customer went to ATM. Then what he is doing? He is trying to make a transaction. Am I right or not? He is trying to make a transaction. Now you tell me, okay, if you are doing that, okay, behind the scenes, it is running the query and the session, that particular database, right? It is filled with the analysis queries only. Now you have to wait 1 hour. Okay, you have to wait 1 hour. Now, what is the action you are going to take? Now you are in a hospital. Just assume it. Okay, some relative is in hospital. Okay, you wanted to transaction at any point of time. Okay, suppose if it is not happening, then what is the important thing which you are going to see? Action. First is frustration. Okay, frustration. Am I right or not? Everyone, you are going to see frustration. Next thing is, okay, your time. Okay, time. Okay, necessity. Your necessity, right? In hospital, somebody is there because of you. They think, okay, you are going to provide the money. Okay, and here necessity is there, right? Very, very necessity. Time, necessity, and as well as, okay, and feelings. Okay, nothing but a feelings. Emotions are very, very important, guys. Okay, emotions. Now here, because of this, what you are going to do next time? Will you come to that? Will you take the account again? Will you take the account in that bank?
No.
Will you take that account in bank?
No.
Am I right? So this is the one of the issue. So if you do analysis on OLTP systems, okay, customers directly going to impact. Okay, customers directly going to impact. That is the reason people are divided the systems for analysis. Okay, people are segregated the systems for analysis and transactional purpose. There is a separate system. Okay, now what you are going to do? You are going ahead and you are going to keep the data. Okay, you are going to keep entire data into where? OLAP. Okay, what is that? OLAP, online analytical processing system. OLAP. Okay, on an analytical processing system, nothing but a data warehouse. Okay. Now, what is this in between, sir? You can ask me. Okay. If you even, okay, for pulling the data also, if you wanted to pull the data also, you are going ahead and you are going to run the queries. So to avoid that, on a specific time interval, you are going to pull the data and keeping into staging area or certain places. Okay, staging area or certain places. Okay, depends upon the project. Okay, staging area or landing area or acquisition area. We are going to keep this data on specific time intervals. You are going to pull all the data. Okay, different set of data. Okay, let's consider it sales. Okay, different set of data. Let's not worry about it. Okay, different set of data you are going to pull and you are going to keep it into staging area. Okay, are you going to change the data? Are you going to apply any transformation? No, you are not going to do anything. Just you are going to pull as it is. As it is, you are going to pull. Once you pull it, okay, now on top of it, you are going to apply the transformations. You are going to apply the transformation. What do you mean by transformation? Okay, this is the question, right? Again, you have a transformation. You are going to apply the transformation. Okay, here you have a doubt, right? What do you mean by transformations? Okay, remember, first I have told you, right? Here somewhere I have told you, business is going to give you, build the software. At the same time, in the ETL, okay, in the data world, they are going to give the requirements. They are going to give the requirements. That requirements we can consider as a mapping document. Mapping document, what it contains. Okay, how the data going to be moved. Okay, how the data going to be moved. Okay, from one location to another location. Okay, what are the rules associated with it? Okay, so for example, let me take one more example. Here you have a India database. Okay, Amazon is placed in different entire world, right? Now here you can consider it UK. Okay, now you here USA. Okay, here you have, let's consider it UAE. Okay, UAE. Okay, now you tell me, now they wanted to understand their entire business. Okay, entire business, not specific country business. They wanted to understand their entire business into profit or loss. Now you tell me, what are the things which you can think of it? Okay, now consider it, Amazon is headquartered of USA. Okay, USA. Okay, now entire all the world money, what they have to do? They have to transform into dollars, right? Am I right or not? Everyone, they have to transform into dollars, right? At the same time, not only that transfer, only dollar transformation. Suppose in India, what is the date format you are going to store? Dollars.
Date,
Okay.
month, and
DD, MM,
month, year.
Y. Okay. But in USA,
MMDDYY.
yes, MM, DD, YY. So you have to change the transformation also, right? Now, Indian rupees, you have to convert into US dollar or not?
Yes.
Okay. At the same time, UK dollar, you have to convert into USA dollar or not? UAE also. Okay. Dirhams. Okay. That each currency you have to transform, and each country's date also you have to transform. At the same time, okay, there are n number of things. For example, in India, people may write it up. First name is different, and first name they have entered. Okay. First, they have entered Ravindra, like this space Ravindra, and some of the folks have entered Ravindra. Okay, first here Ravindra, here like that they have entered. Okay, some of the folks they have entered everything capital. Okay, some of the folks they entered, okay, like this Ravindra, smaller. We have to format the data or not? Okay, we have to cleanse the data or not? We have to scrub the data or not? These are the operations which we have to perform as part of the ETL. As part of the ETL, who's going to do these operations? Okay, who's going to do these operations? These operations. Yes, go ahead. They're going to provide money, Kanta. No issues. Carry on. Okay, so these are the operations which we are going to do that. Okay, so to do this kind of operations, who's going to do that? Developer is going to do that. Okay, who's the role? What is the role? developer is going to do that. Okay, developer is going to do that. This particular process, okay, extraction, this is called extraction. Okay, extraction, this particular process is called from source to staging area, we can call it as a extraction. Okay, extraction. Okay, second thing, okay, here you are transforming, nothing but a transforming, and finally where you are loading into data warehouse in the form of data marts. Okay, in the form of data marts. Internally data marts, again it is going to build on the dimensional modeling, that nothing but a fact and dimensions. Okay, facts and dimensions. Okay, so whatever the thing which you are going to do that, right, finally you are going to keep it on top of it. Here data marts will come. Okay, we'll explain you in the further classes in detail. So on top of it, again you have a reporting, whatever I am showing you, right, business intelligence. Okay, there is a reporting which is going to be part of it, Okay, end users going to access this particular reporting, Are you with me, guys, everyone? So this particular thing which they are going to access it. So what are the reporting tools which is associated with it? Okay, so reporting is going to be multiple tools which is associated. One is Tableau. Okay, Tableau, ClickView. Okay, just this spelling mistake, ClickView. Okay, and other than that, Power BI, most of the people know Power BI. Okay, Power BI, Cognos, okay, OBI, Oracle Business Enterprise Edition, okay, etc. There are n number of tools, around 20 plus tools which is available. Okay, on top of it, once you prepare the data, on top of it, these people will access this data, and then they are going to visualize the data in the form of dashboards and reports. So tell me, sir, you have explained everything fine about from basic Amazon application to until data warehouse, and as well as you have explained the reporting. Now you tell me, sir, being a tester, what I have to do? This is the question, right? You have doubt, right? Being a tester, okay, being a ETL tester, okay, being a ETL tester, you have to verify, okay, you have to verify the ETL processes happening according to the business requirements or not. Everybody clear? So this is your duty to do this. Okay, to do this, what are the things which I have to learn? Okay, try to understand here. Okay, so here it can be files, it can be database, it can be files or it can be database. Then what you have to learn? To interact with the DB. Okay, you have to learn SQL. Let me keep it in a different color so that it will be to interact with the DB. Okay, you have to learn SQL. Okay, SQL. If it is a file, okay, then you have to learn the Unix or Linux. Okay, Unix or Linux. Okay, Unix or Linux. Just consider it is a Linux. Okay, now to this entire process, are we going to do manually? No, we are going to use the ETL tools. Okay, ETL tools I have mentioned here. Okay, ETL tools. What are the ETL tool which we are going to talk about it? Okay, we are going to talk about it. Informatica Power Center. Okay, now this is the entire thing which we are going to understand, right? How we are going to build, what we are going to build. Okay, then what we should know? We should know data warehousing concepts. Let me write it up everything here. So what are the things which we need to understand? One is database. If you wanted to interact with the database or DBMS, RDBMS, okay, you should know SQL well. Okay, SQL. Second thing is you should know file system Unix. Okay, because of file system in the sources, you should know file system. You should know what you should know, Unix or Linux. Okay. Next is, okay, this entire process, you have to do that, right? ETL tool is nothing but a Informatica Power Center. Okay. ETL tool, Informatica Power Center. Okay. Power Center. Now, next thing is, ETL tool, file system, RDBMS. Next, this entire process, how it is happening, what it is happening internally, what are the rules and everything. Okay. Then we have to know data warehousing concepts. This is nothing but a data warehousing concepts. Okay. As part of this, we are going to cover ETL, everything. Okay. Next, everything is covered. Now, what is the being a tester? What you have to do? You should know testing concepts. Okay. Testing concepts. Okay. Testing concepts. And other than that, you should know end-to-end execution. End-to-end execution. Okay. End-to-end execution. Like how to build the test cases from scratch under requirements to until end. Are you clear? Anybody have any doubts? You can ask me. So each one, how much time it is going to take? Okay. Again, here 30 days, 25 days to 25 days to, okay, 25 days to 30 days. Okay, 30 days we are going to take care. And Unix or Linux, 5 days. Okay, max to max. Then Informatica Power Center. Okay, Informatica data warehousing concepts, 5 days. Okay, 5 days. Then remaining everything from Informatica Power Center. Okay, and as well as once we have Informatica Power Center, then we'll go ahead and we'll talk about the testing concepts and end-to-end execution, which is going to be each transformation will take and will validate it. 20 days, which we are going to dedicatedly do this activity. Okay. Are you clear, everyone? So overall 60 days, which is going to be your classes. If anybody have any doubt, please let me know.
Ravinder, sir. So data warehouse for which Oracle data warehouse and cloud-based, which one? Actually, I want to know this.
So as part of this course, we are going to go with the normal Oracle database.
So any ETL tester for sir cloud-based Informatica IIC cloud-based?
See, you can do with the Azure Data Factory as well. Okay, same thing.
Sir.
You can perform. But see, you have experience in that area, but other folks doesn't have any experience on
No,
that
sir,
area.
I have experience in production. I see all things. Manual test, I know, but UAT I did, but not a proper.
Vijay, sorry
Yes.
to stop you. Okay. Let's discuss in the last your topic. Okay. Let
sir.
others spoke. Okay. We'll talk to you in personally at the after the everybody is done. We'll talk
Yes,
about
yes.
it. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Sorry for interruption.
No issues. Hello. Sudha, yeah.
Yes, sir, we are clear. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. What about Maruti Raja? Maruti, you there? Maruti, you there? Pramit Vash. I think you joined in between, right, Pramit?
Yes, sir. I've just joined after a few minutes back only.
Okay. See, entire thing I have explained. Okay, end-to-end class. Okay, just you go through the recording. You can check with the admin guys. They are going to provide the recording. Okay.
Sure, sir. Sure. Thank you, sir.
Okay, great. Who's this video? Hello, DurgaSoft. Can you go on off the video? Hello. Yeah. If you don't have any doubts, we'll wind up the class, guys. Okay. And if you have any doubts, let me know. Okay. Let others drop off. Okay. We'll talk about Vijay's. Okay. Yes, Vijay. Now tell me.
Yeah, good evening. Actually, sir, actually, I work with the Infotica Power Center in a product base. Okay, sir. So I called in the morning and yesterday also. So he means DURGASOFT assistant told I don't know about these things. So I want to learn. Some friends told to me I want to learn about the sir ETL testing as a sir automation with the cloud base, sir. Any means Azure, AWS, GCS, sir, any three cloud based.
Okay, then you
That
can.
is my requirement, sir.
Okay, sure. Then I think you are not going to fit here. Okay.
Yes, sir.
To be honest, actually, if you wanted to learn cloud, it's not a big deal. Okay. It is going to take time. Okay. But it is not a big deal to learn. Just go ahead and check with the admin guys. They are going to help you about it.
Yeah.
So here, what we try to do, we
Yeah.
are going ahead and we are going to explain the end-to-end ETL as well as, okay, with the Oracle database, with the in detail of Informatica Power Center.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir. And here you have to manual and automation, sir.
See, it's a manual thing which we are going to teach.
Okay,
Reason
sir.
behind it, manual.
problem, no.
These folks are new to this
Okay,
particular
sir.
thing.
Okay, that's why I called to morning and clarify. I given the everything whatever I required. That's why then that's why sorry for.
No issues.
Hello.
Yeah, no issues.
Yeah,
Then.
Ravinder, sir. So whom do I contact directly? DURGASOFT.
Admin, yeah,
Admin.
DURGASOFT admin you can connect.
Okay, sir. Thanks.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.